guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been quite some time here. Yes, so today I'll be going into tying of gele. I will be tying this gele. I know we always have voiceovers, so I'll be tying this gele, and there's a style that has been going viral on my channel, and I've gotten a lot of comments saying that it is too fast. So right now I'm going to be doing the very slow version for you guys, and also I'll add 2 other extra styles to it. And since the first Sunday is coming soon, I believe you'll be able to rock this style for church. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching.
Yes guys, I'm trying to create my pleats here, and I created 4 pleats and I'm putting it at the back of my head. Yes, once I have created that pleat, I want to make sure they are neat enough, which is what I'll be trying to smoothen out right here. So right here I'll be creating 4 pleats. And yes, once I've created it at this side, guys, you want to make sure it covers your ear, and also take note that the hands are equal. You don't need a longer hand or a shorter hand. The both hands are equal. So right here too, I'm also trying to create the 4 pleats, make sure they are neat enough and all that. And once I have achieved this, I'll be twisting this gele at the front twice. 1, 2. I hope you saw that. Yes guys, so once that is done, I will twist the hands here. I will make sure it is very firm, and I will tuck it into the excess that is left at the back of the gele. So it is at the center of my head, the middle of my head, just like I'm showing you here. I'm putting that excess there, and this one that is left, I will be using a rubber band to fold it into 2 and secure it together. Yes, so I folded it and I'll be using the rubber band to secure it. So guys, you have to make sure it is tight because you don't want it to fall off after some time. So I used it 3 times. It went around 3 times. And now the excess that is left, I'll be tucking this also into the center of my head. So can you see? Yes, the same place where I tucked in the rest. Guys, forgive me for laughing and doing all this. I was actually gisting with my mom while tying this gele. Yes. So right now I will be pulling out the excess from what I folded on top. So just like how I did it, you just have to pull it out, and that is the beauty. I will now be going into a safety pin, an office pin. An office pin is more applicable at this point. I'll be using that to secure it at the sides of the pleat. Yes, so that is what I did in this gele, and it is quite easy guys. Like, this is one of the favorite gele styles I created on my channel, and I think this is why it is actually still trending and popping up on everybody's page. Yes, so this is this style, and it is very easy. It's very simple to create. When you push it to the back, that's the beauty. Like, oh la la. Yes, I look like princess of Canada. Yes guys, so this is this style, and I hope you love it. Yes.
So guys, you can see this gele is very simple, and now this is the slow version. So anybody that asks me that the first one I made was too fast, I'll be referring them to this video so they can see the slow one, and you can see it is very, very, very simple. So guys, this is the back of the gele.
Looks pretty cool, pretty nice, pretty neat, very mindful, very demure. Yes guys, and that's the end of this gele. Now going into our second style for the day, I already created 3 pleats on my leg and I placed it on my head, and right now I will be twisting. Yes, so you need a long hand and a short hand in this instance. So you can use 75 and 25 or 30 and 70. I hope you know how to do the measurements. So guys, I am already twisting my 75. I twisted it and I'll be tucking the excess to the back. It did not actually sit well, so I had to use a pin to hold it. So right now, this short hand, that's the 25, has to go under this 75. So I had to twist my 75 again and lock it in at the back. Yes, so I was using a pin to hold it, and this is just me showing that I was using a pin to hold it. Right now I'll be extending the ends of the 25. Yes, you want to make sure you extend it in a way that still looks good. Then I will divide it into 2. Yes, from the middle. I'm sure we saw what I did right now. I'll place one at the front and one at the back, and I'll be using an office pin to secure it on top of the twist I made on the 75. Yes, so this is the style guys. Very simple. like very nice, very sweet. Yes, so just to make sure it is firm on my head, I had to go into another pin just to hold it. Then I'm pushing it to the back. So that is it for this style, guys. Very easy, like easy peasy. You're good to go. You're ready for that occasion. Yes, it just gives that nice Abeti Aja vibes. Yeah, I don't know. For people that are not Nigerians, it just gives there's this cap that has big ears on the side. Yeah, so that was what I was referring to. So, and the back too is neat. It covers your hair and all that. Yes, you can decide to fold in the ends. Yes, if you feel like it's too extended or it looks too big for your liking, yes, you can decide to just fold it in. Then also, if you have these pins that they use on the chest, I've forgotten what they call it. Yes, you can use it on top of it and you can see how nice it looks. Like, it's really, really, really fine. Like, I like the outcome. So guys, this is our style number 2 and I hope you love it. Jumping right into our style number 3. Yes, I'll also be creating the pleats. I already created a little bit of it on my legs, but you always have to make sure it is neat on your head. So I am creating these pleats and we are trying to form V gele. So for this style, we have length 30 and length 70. So and 30 and 70. Yes. So right now, I'm using the middle of both and 70 and 30. The longer hand will go under the shorter hand. Yes. So the longer hand is what is on your right, while the shorter hand is what is on your left. Just the way you're watching this video. Yes. So right now, if you noticed, I make sure I covered one ear and it's not covering the other ear. So that is because we want to create what they call the V-shaped gele. Yes. So I already created pleats on one side and I'm creating the other pleats on the second side. I think I created 4 pleats on one side. Right now, I think I extended this and 30. I made like 5 pleats on it or something. Yes. So I am making the pleats on it, and yes, that is that. Once I have done that and the pleats are neat enough, I'll be using an office pin to secure it to the rest of the gele, which is what I'll be doing here. So you just want to secure it with the one of the pleats from the end 70. Yes. And once this is done, guys, just easy peasy, you twist again. Yes, so most of the style we are doing today is twisting. I'll just be twisting this on top. And one thing I like about V-shaped gele is that they fit the shape of my face. I don't know for others, but for most clients that I've tied V-shaped gele for, most with round face, heart-shaped face, oval face, I think diamond face too, V gele actually fits everybody. Yes, so right now I'm tucking the excess to the back of the gele. You can also use a pin to hold it, anyone that works for you. I think I'm using a pin at this point. Yes, then that is that for this gele. I'll just make sure the back of my gele is neat enough, everything is fine, everything is good, and we are good to go. So guys, this is the gele. This, you are ready to go for any occasion. Like, it's very, very easy. As much as you can create the V or the normal round gele, the normal round plait gele, you are good to go. Yes, this is it. We are done. I look so good, ready to go for my events. So now, I decided to do extra. And the extra I did was to create normal pleats on this V gele. Guys, I can't remember the last time I tied normal pleats, like a round pleat on my head. And guys, God, it was torture. Because this is the type of gele I tie on my client's head. I don't know, people that watched my last video where I tied a red gele on my client's head, or rather my model's head. It was not easy. So I decided to tie the same style on my head. So right here, I'm using the pin to secure the excess at the back of my gele. Guys, once you have secured it, you are good to go. Sometimes you might need to tie. The pin might not hold it as tight as you want. As you can see, it was lifting a bit. So at some point, you have to tie it to the small little one you have from the and 30. Yes, and once that is secured, you just keep creating your pleats, which is what I am doing here. I believe everybody should already know how to create pleats. Ladies, I believe you should know how to create pleats already. It's very simple, just the way I'm pulling it. Yes, just pull it on top. Then you keep pleating it to the end. You want to make sure it is equal at both ends, all to the end. Yes, that is that. So here I am pleating. Guys, it's not easy to pleat. It takes a whole lot to pleat. It is easier when you are doing it on a client's head or a model head than when you are doing it on your head, because you can see the way I'm struggling. Yes, I just had to continue pleating because yes, I already said I was going to do this, so I had no choice than to do this to the end. So I continued pleating. Okay. Yes, so once that side has been done, I used a pin to hold it because the hand was not long enough to tie to another side of the gele. So I was using a pin to hold it to the sides. Yes, and now I have to knit in the other side. This is my right side, just to make sure it rhymes with the other side. So guys, if you want a little bit of height, you can just make sure you make your pleats are neatly done at that side, then raise it up. So it just makes it very easy for everything to look as good as possible. So yes, that is what I am doing, just trying to make sure everything is neat. And guys, this is our V-shaped gele, beautiful, nicely done. Yes, you just have to raise it up a bit and yeah, we're good to go. Then I pushed it to the back, and I was happy I did this, even though it was stressful. But it's just so nice knowing that you can still do things like this by yourself and on your own head. So probably when next I'm going to a party, I'll do this myself. You can see the way I was breathing. I was so tired. So this is the final look, guys, and I hope you love it. I hope you like it.
So guys, I hope you learned a thing or two from this video, and you have gotten some gele styles that you are ready to recreate for your next event. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.